Now, on Eclipse Day, tourists spread throughout the state from Vincennes to Richmond and everywhere in between. Even smaller towns like Spencer saw folks come from as far away as California. Clayton Baumgarth spoke with community leaders about how the Eclipse event unfolded.
The town of Spencer began planning for the eclipse last August. Emergency services prepared for the worst-case scenario, possibly tens of thousands of people visiting to see the celestial event, bringing with them hours of gridlocked traffic and hindering emergency response vehicles. But the day turned out to be incredibly mild compared to those predictions.
We didn't know what was going to happen for sure. We was hoping to have, like we do on Apple Butter Festival Parade Day, with an 10,000 people influx, but that didn't happen. But all in all, I think the day went well here.
Stantz estimates between 1,000 and 1,500 people visited Spencer for the eclipse. Town council members say they're still pleased with the turnout, even if it didn't quite meet expectations. At the least, now that they've made plans for how to handle an influx of people, they feel better prepared for anything in the future.
All those plans have been made with emergency services, so now we can keep that. We just pull that out of the drawer and use it again at some point, I'm sure.
Spencer Pride, a group that organized a full day of activities for the town, says they started seeing new faces in their community center as early as Friday.
Our overall kind of visitation at the center was about 3 to 4 times what it normally would be for that time period. So, I mean, it was a substantial difference in terms of, our engagement with the public, which is exactly what we're here for.
Spencer Pride was one of 30 groups selected to receive a $2,000 micro grant from the IU Center for Rural Engagement to host eclipse-related activities. Balish says even with the smaller turnout of people, Spencer Pride was still able to achieve its goal of sharing the community with as many people as possible.
And through, the programming that we offered yesterday, it helped educate them and just bring them forward as human beings. And so absolutely we accomplished that yesterday.
So while it wasn't the blowout some may have hoped for, the people of Spencer are pleased with how they capitalize on the eclipse. For Indiana News Desk, I'm Clayton Baumgarth.